In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image into a circle in Affinity Designer. This is perfect for profile photos, badges, and clean UI elements, and we'll keep it simple while making sure you understand what's happening at each stage. First, open Affinity Designer and load the document that contains your image. If your photo isn't already on the canvas, place it so it sits as a layer in the Layers panel. You might see it named something like Background or Picture. That's the layer we'll be working with. On the left side of the screen, look for the Shape tool in the toolbar. Click it to reveal the shape options, then choose the Ellipse tool. This tool draws circular shapes and will act as the mask that defines the cropped area. Now draw an ellipse where you want your circular crop to appear. Click and drag on the canvas to create it. If you want a perfect circle, hold the Shift key while you drag. You can enable snapping if you want help aligning the circle to the center of your canvas or to your subject. Don't worry about the fill or stroke at this point. The ellipse is just the container that will clip your image. If you see an outline you don't want, you can set the stroke width to 0 later. Next, go to the Layers panel, usually on the right. Click the image layer and drag it directly onto the ellipse layer until you see it indent beneath the ellipse. When you release, the image becomes nested inside the ellipse, creating a circular crop. You'll know it worked if the image is only visible within the ellipse shape. From here, you can fine-tune the crop without starting over. To adjust what part of the photo shows, select the image inside the ellipse and use the Move tool to reposition or scale it. To resize the circle itself, select the ellipse and drag its handles. Holding Shift keeps it perfectly round. If there's an unwanted outline, select the ellipse and remove the stroke, or change the stroke color and width to taste. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity Designer, choose the Ellipse tool from the Shape tools, draw your circle, and nest your image into the ellipse in the Layers panel to clip it. With these steps, you get a clean, non-destructive circular crop that you can adjust at any time.